Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our October new products video. Our first new product is these dust shields. These fit the 80 to 93 F100, F150 two-wheel drive pickup. We sell these as pairs, heavy-duty steel construction, got a galvanized finish to make them last longer. The original ones were just painted and the paint came off and they rusted away. These are really easy to install. There's 3 bolts. Take them off when you pull your rotor off, pop it in place, and you're ready to go. Once again, brand new dust shields for the 80 to 93 F100, F150 two-wheel drive pickup. Sold in pairs, heavy-duty steel construction with a nice galvanized finish to it. And our next new products for the 78-79 Bronco, it's this outside tire rack catch latch. What this does, this bolts on your tailgate, and when your tire rack swings around the latch, goes in there, and the bar comes down to lock it in place. These aren't available. We had these remade. They're made here in the United States. Heavy-duty steel construction. Got a galvanized finish to it, so you can just bolt it on the truck. If you want, you can paint it to match, whatever you want to do. Brand new 78-79 Ford Bronco tire rack catch latch. And our next new products for the 73 to 79 Ford pickup and 78-79 Ford Bronco. From the factory, this is a battery stabilizer bracket. What this did, your fender well came down like this. This set on here, and a bolt went through that in place. And this slipped over your battery post like that. And you just screwed the nut down, held the battery from shifting from back and forth like that. It was a factory piece. We had it redesigned. Brand new, heavy-duty steel. Got a galvanized finish to it. Comes with the bolt. Brand new for the 73 to 79 Ford truck and the 78-79 Ford Bronco. And our next new product are these cross-member bushings, or transfer case bushings as most people call them. These are for the 80 to 86 Ford Bronco, 80 to 86 Ford F-Series four-wheel drive pickup. We've had these reproduced. You get a pair of these. There's like 5 parts to it. There's an upper sleeve, upper bushing, and lower retainer with a nut on it. We also give you the bolt that goes through it. Again, these are sold in pairs, brand new. It's a 10-piece kit. So we discovered when we took some trucks apart that the cross member had some rust holes in it where the mount went through, rusted out. So we came up with this for you. This is a separate product. This is a cross member saver. So if your cross member is bad, instead of trying to find another one, you can just buy these. They're like $8 a pair or $7. You can weld them on the bottom or the top. And this would be the upper bushing, so it would sit through like this. So this would be like a side view of it, how it would look. Reinforces it, and you can bolt it all together and save it. Once again, cross member or transfer case bushings sold in a pair for the 80 to 86 Bronco and the 80 to 86 F-Series pickup four-wheel drive. And for our October web truck of the month, we have Harry Braveheart's custom Bronco. It's a really nice truck. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support and hope to see you again next month.
I bought it about 5 years ago. Got it from a guy down in Kentucky. And it was just the body pretty much. It didn't have nothing in it, one seat. From there we built the roll cage, suspension, all the gauges and the motor and everything like that.
Okay.
Yep.
So now what do you have to do to get the motor to fit under the hood?
What we did is we have a 351 board and stroke to the 427, and we went to Holley fuel injection. And to get it to fit under the hood, so it's not sticking up through it, we dropped the motor 2 inches. So we built all new motor mounts, and then at the same time we had to build all new suspension because we got the 4-link under it with the king coils, shocks and everything. So we had to redo all that just to get it so everything would fit under the hood and everything. What we did is we moved the battery, everything to the very back, basically because we cut all the inner fenders out of the front, so we didn't have a place to put the battery and everything. So we moved everything to the back, and being with a tranny and everything with these little Broncos, they do heat up. So we moved everything to the back as far as the tranny cooler and stuff to keep the tranny cool. We run all electric fans, electric fuel pump and everything, water pump and everything. So
how do you use the truck?
We just on occasion, Sunday cruise or just cruise a little here or there, mainly up Silver Lake. We trailer it up here. We're about 45 minutes away, and we run Silver Lake all the time. So
nice.
Yeah.